Hello guys, welcome back to the Planet V. Today we are seeing the Floralia Brussels. This spring flower exhibition here in Groot Bijgaarden offers everyone an experience worth keeping. This park is 14 hectares and it features almost all spring bud varieties. This park gives priority to tulips, which are about 400 varieties. We could also see here some hyacinths and daffodils. Let's go. Floralia Brussels usually runs for a month. The entrance fee for adults is 15 euros. Don't be a stranger in the night. The history of the place dates back to 1100s when the first lord of Groot Bijgaarden, Groot Bijgaarden, lived in the estate. There have been 40 different owners since then. In April 2004, the park was opened to the public by organizing the largest flower show in Belgium. Next to the fortified entrance, you'll see the 30-meter-high donjon, which was built around 1347. Pretty calm, I don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you. But most of all, that deserves you. We are now on top of the tower, which offers a very good view of the park. Let's see how it looks like from here. The sweetest red cheese I'd ever seen. You stand beside me in every... The castle is surrounded by a large moat. The two lions on the bridge were from the 17th century, while the fortified entrance was from the 15th century. What can I do to get you to fall for someone like me? I'd say I'm settled and I'm pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm. Not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you. But most of all, that deserves you. It's most of all that deserves you. It's crucial. Tulips are wild flowers native to Central Asia near the Russian-Chinese border. They spread west and were cultivated in Turkey. Today, Holland is the largest producer of tulips worldwide, exporting around 3 billion bulbs annually. Go with someone like me. I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm. Then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you. But most of all, that deserves you. That he deserves you. A good addition to your photo collection, not just the colorful tulips, are with the several statues of animals and interesting objects scattered inside.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. Tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say
Another area you could enjoy inside the park is the Labyrinth of Tulips found near the greenhouse of the park.
I'd be stronger if you just step right in, 'cause I need a start to let you
This flower exhibition features major Dutch bulb producers and exporters who always look for the most interesting varieties, most beautiful species, as well as the creation of the flower beds.
I gotta tear my wall apart, and it's the only way to start to let you know. When it's over, I will see what I've done, letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in, 'cause I need a start to let you in.
After an hour of going around the area
We spent another hour getting food.
and paying everything. Don't forget to pass by the area near the apple trees, which is dedicated to several kinds of rhododendrons.
I am sitting at this bar trying to forget all the fun we used to have. Even though I'm better and time has passed, now I wonder where your mind's at. In my dreams I pick you up, I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles, wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bittersweet shine. I get what you need, I'll make you feel free, be mine tonight.
If you see some tulips with stripes, it was initially caused by a virus spread by aphids. Today, these stripes are artificially reproduced without the virus nor the aphids.
Way home, holding hands along the track. I'm dancing hours away, but I still feel alone. So I go order one more shot. In my dreams I pick you up, I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles, wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue.
Tulips generally symbolize love, but different meanings were given based on its color. Red tulips are for love and romance. White tulips are the flowers that you need if you want to say sorry. Purple tulips are associated with royalty, while yellow tulips are for happiness.
Blue sky within. All the trips we had, our adventures, all the waterfalls and the wild waters, hanging off the cliffs, counting all the shadows.
Tulips are the national flower of both Turkey and Iran.
And now we're in the shadows. I wanna feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your
Thank you guys for joining me and for your continued support. I hope you really enjoy this vlog. If you are in Belgium and if you love springtime and if you love flowers, this is one of the best places to see. Thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe, post your comments, and please share this vlog to your friends. Take care, and I'm gonna see you on my next vlog.
Feel my blue sky.